AutoFix TikTok account is currently suspended. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome on your device. Here, search support.tiktok.com and click on TikTok support. After you click on TikTok support in here, simply scroll down to privacy and user safety and click on privacy and user safety. Click on how to report. Scroll down and click on report a problem. After you've clicked on report a problem, here click on online reporting form. After you're in here, select the topic. You can choose general, account inquiry, or account access. Category, other, and then add your username, your contact email, and then your additional details. You can type in my account is suspended. Can you help me fix this? I haven't done anything. And you can upload the proof that you should not be suspended. You have not done anything. Make sure you have a proof and then click on I ensure by submitting and submit. TikTok will get back to you and solve your issue. This is AutoFix. TikTok account is currently suspended. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.